time in Biker Life Hacks, Dave's going to talk about maintenance of control cables. These can be applied to motorbikes as well as push bikes.
So what about control cables? Just like everything else, they can dry out over winter and become rusty. And there's a really simple way to lube them up. You can buy expensive cable lube systems, but you don't need to do any of that. All you need is a poly bag and an elastic band, and I'll show you how that's done. So first things first, we're going to pick on the front brake cable in this instance. Let's undo the brake cable and remove it from the lever. Okay, so don't forget, of course, then we've got to slacken the brake cable a bit so we can remove the lever. Right, so that's the lever out. All we're going to do now, wiggle it to get the lever off. What I've got now is a freed up cable. So all we need for our specialist bit of equipment is a rubber band, poly bag, a pair of scissors and some oil. All you need to do, cut a corner off the bag like that, and then hopefully we can feed the bag over the top. Right, let's just make this a bit larger. There it goes. Feed the bag over the top of the cable and wrap it around. All you need to do now, get your trusty rubber band and wrap it around the base. Just seal it onto the cable. Good few turns, make it nice and tight. Maybe you can get it. Okay. Let's put a little bit of oil, doesn't need to be a lot. Any old oil will do, doesn't need to be any special oil. Pour it into the bag. That's almost too much really, you don't need a tiny bit. And then do whatever you need to do, or you fix it off the mirror or whatever, I've hung it from the ceiling. Just anything you've got to do just to suspend it so that the oil then will fall down through the cable. Leave it overnight and it's all lubed up and done.
Okay.
Good start.
Okay. In this.
What did you do there? Why is this so difficult? It's like...
Okay. In this. Okay, in this episode, Dave
This is not going to work.